Got the YPOO under the desk walking treadmill. Many people are wondering, how fast can it go? 3.7 miles per hour. So you can see I'm walking at a pretty good clip. If you also up the incline on that, you're going to be really burning some calories. Let's be honest. If you're working from this, you're not going to be able to walk this fast, which means this is a great under the desk treadmill because you're going to be able to use it for more than you need it for. The other thing I just want to cover real quick. So it's got a good speed. It's super ridiculously lightweight. I bought or reviewed 10 to 20 walking treadmills, lightest one I've ever tried. Other thing that is incredible, if you've ever tried like at-home treadmills with that incline, there are mechanical issues like crazy. This one you're never gonna have a problem with because it's manual. So all we do is on each side, you've got this yellow thing. You just pull that clip out, put it in where you want. You have 3 different settings. And if we just do that on the other side, now you have incline. This thing is incredibly easy to use, super lightweight, goes at a good speed. Get it.